Hello everyone. Today, we're bringing you an installation demonstration for Dazuma's Moon Globe pillar light. Before installation, make sure the power product list, 1 accessory pack with screws and screw anchors, and 1 Moon Globe pillar light. Step 1. Remove the 4 screws securing the mounting plates from the sides of the bottom cover. Then, remove the mounting plates from inside the bottom cover. Step 2. Place the mounting plate at the desired installation location. Mark the mounting points and drill the holes. Step 3. Insert the 4 screw anchors from the accessory pack into the drilled holes one by one. Step 4. Align the 4 holes on the mounting plate with the 4 drilled holes and place it in position. Then, secure it using the 4 screws from the accessory pack. Step 5. Align the 4 holes on the sides of the product base with the 4 holes on the sides of the mounting plate and place the product base in position. Then, reinstall the 4 screws removed in Step 1 to secure the product base to the mounting plate. Step 6. Plug the product power cord into your power strip. The product installation is now complete. Dazuma, your dedicated partner in professional lighting.